The weather feels pleasant this morning with a light breeze.
It really does. And the fresh air makes everything feel more alive.
I enjoy mornings like this when the sun isn't too harsh.
The mild sunlight makes it perfect for a short walk or some reading outside.
The sky looks so clear today without a single dark cloud.
That kind of clear sky usually means it will stay sunny for most of the day.
The air feels cooler than yesterday, especially in the shade.
Cool air after a warm day feels refreshing and helps lift the mood.
I think the temperature dropped overnight because of the wind.
Windy nights often bring cooler mornings and calm afternoons.
I love how the trees move gently when the breeze passes.
The rustling sound of leaves always brings peace and comfort.
The sun is bright, but it's not making the day too hot.
That balance between warmth and coolness feels ideal for outdoor plans.
I noticed some clouds forming near the horizon.
Those might be early signs of a light shower later in the evening.
Rain would actually feel nice after a few dry days.
The smell of rain on dry soil always reminds me of childhood.
I like how everything looks fresh and clean after rainfall.
Rain brings out the colors of nature, making them brighter and more vivid.
The sound of raindrops hitting the window feels so calming.
That gentle rhythm makes it easier to relax or even fall asleep.
Sometimes heavy rain makes the city look beautiful at night.
The streetlights reflecting on wet roads create a magical scene.
I enjoy watching thunderstorms from a safe place indoors.
The flashes of lightning and sound of thunder feel powerful yet exciting.
The weather forecast mentioned possible rain tomorrow.
That's good to know, so I can plan to carry an umbrella.
I prefer light showers more than heavy rainstorms.
Light rain feels peaceful and doesn't disturb daily activities much.
The clouds look thicker now compared to earlier.
That could mean a change in the weather is approaching soon.
It might become cloudy for a few hours before raining.
Cloudy skies often bring cooler temperatures even without rain.
The wind direction has shifted slightly to the east.
Changes in wind direction often signal a new weather pattern.
The air feels more humid this afternoon.
Humidity usually increases before rainfall or during warmer periods.
I think humidity makes summer days feel hotter.
It really does, and it makes it harder to stay comfortable outdoors.
Drinking cold water helps a lot during humid weather.
It keeps the body cool and reduces the feeling of tiredness.
Sometimes a sudden breeze feels like a blessing in hot weather.
A gentle wind can instantly change the mood and energy.
The sky now has a mix of white and gray clouds.
That kind of mix usually means partial sunshine throughout the day.
I love watching the sunset when clouds are scattered like that.
Sunsets look more colorful when light reflects off the clouds.
Orange and pink skies at sunset always take my breath away.
Those colors remind me of peaceful moments by the beach.
I wish I could watch sunsets like that every evening.
Even a short moment with that view can make the day feel special.
Sometimes I wake up early to see the sunrise.
The morning light brings a sense of hope and freshness.
The weather at sunrise feels cooler and cleaner.
The air at that time always feels lighter and easier to breathe.
Morning dew on the grass makes everything sparkle.
Those tiny droplets catch the light and look like little jewels.
I notice that birds become more active during pleasant weather.
They seem to enjoy the calm atmosphere as much as humans do.
Sunny weather always encourages outdoor activities.
It makes people more energetic and willing to spend time outside.
Rainy weather, on the other hand, invites rest and reflection.
Rain gives time to slow down, think, and enjoy quiet moments.
I find cloudy days perfect for reading or writing indoors.
The soft light through the clouds feels gentle on the eyes.
Foggy mornings look mysterious but beautiful.
Fog changes the view and adds a calm silence to the surroundings.
Driving in fog requires more focus and patience.
Visibility drops, so extra caution becomes necessary.
I like when fog covers the mountains and makes them look dreamy.
That sight feels magical, like a scene from a movie.
The temperature seems to change every few hours lately.
This kind of unstable weather usually happens between seasons.
Transition seasons always bring interesting patterns.
Spring and autumn both have a mix of cool and warm days.
Spring brings pleasant weather with colorful flowers.
It feels like the whole world wakes up after the cold winter.
The air in spring carries the sweet smell of blossoms.
That fragrance fills the mind with positivity and calmness.
Autumn feels different with falling leaves and cool winds.
The golden colors of trees make everything look artistic.
I enjoy walking on dry leaves during autumn.
The crunchy sound underfoot feels satisfying and playful.
Winter, on the other hand, brings chilly mornings.
Cold air makes it harder to get out of bed but feels fresh once outside.
I like wearing warm clothes during winter.
Layers of soft sweaters make the cold weather cozy.
Drinking hot tea feels perfect on cold winter evenings.
Warm drinks truly make the chill easier to handle.
Snowfall changes everything into a white wonderland.
The silent beauty of snow feels peaceful and pure.
Children seem to love playing in the snow.
Building snowmen and throwing snowballs bring them endless joy.
Snowy days make me appreciate the warmth of home even more.
A warm blanket and a book create the best winter evening.
The weather affects people's moods in many ways.
Sunny days often bring happiness, while gloomy ones feel heavier.
Some people love the sound of rain, while others prefer sunshine.
It depends on what kind of comfort they find in each season.
I personally enjoy mild weather where it's neither hot nor cold.
That kind of balance keeps energy steady throughout the day.
Extreme heat can be uncomfortable during summer months.
High temperatures make it hard to focus or stay outdoors for long.
Staying hydrated becomes very important in such conditions.
Water, fruits, and light food help in staying active and fresh.
Evening breezes in summer feel like a reward after a hot day.
Those gentle winds bring instant relief and comfort.
Sometimes summer nights feel warmer than expected.
The heat lingers because buildings and roads store it during the day.
I like when it suddenly rains on a hot summer afternoon.
The mix of rain and sunlight often leads to a beautiful rainbow.
Rainbows always make people stop and smile.
Their colors remind everyone of nature's beauty and peace.
I once saw a double rainbow after a storm.
That rare sight felt magical and stayed in my memory for years.
Stormy weather can be both scary and fascinating.
Thunder and lightning remind us of nature's great power.
I respect how weather shapes daily life and moods.
Every season and condition teaches us something different.
Windy days make outdoor walks more exciting.
The sound of the wind through trees feels alive and dynamic.